Welcome to our VIAVI Edinburgh office. Today we're going to be unboxing the SmartOTDR, a handheld fibre tester, which is easy to use and compact and holds all of the essential fibre test requirements in one place. So let's go and unbox one, shall we? So the first thing you'll see is the box is pretty robust, and that's to ensure nothing gets damaged in transit, coming from our St Etienne factory in France. So once we open the box up, the first thing we can see is the device itself in some more robust packaging. A spacer to give some more strength, the all-important calibration certificate, and this is really good. This is a carry case which you can loop around your neck and then have with no hands, or use of one hand to press buttons, etc. Perfectly designed for contractors working out in the field, and a stylus for using the touch screen and some of the different connectors. Right, now let's have a closer look at the device. When you first look at the SmartOTDR, the first feature you're likely to notice is the 5.5-inch multi-touch, high-visibility, widescreen display, ideal for OTDR operations indoor or outdoor. Moving around to the side here, you'll notice a micro USB connection for easy data transfer to PC or tablet, as well as the charging port. We have our battery housing on the rear, and the SmartOTDR battery has up to 20 hours of operation from a single charge, which only takes a matter of hours to complete fully. Up top we have two USB ports for connecting an inspection scope such as the P5000i to certify connector end faces, or a MP60 or 80 for optical power measurements, or your smartphone for 3G or 4G access. Also worth noting is the VFL, or visual fault locator, which allows you to physically test the fibres. And finally, next to the USB ports, we have our actual OTDR ports, in this case two APC connectors, including a filtered 1650 APC, which allows for in-service testing. Well, that's all from this unboxing of the VIAVI SmartOTDR. Until next time, thank you for watching.